Hi, I'll be talking. My final project is on the operation management of Apple. My name is Zhong Yan. First, we're going to start off with the design of goods and services by Apple. Apple handles design of goods and services through a number of components. First, for the hardware part, it requires one senior VP for the engineering side, and for the software, also one engineering VP. And overall, it will be overseen by a senior VP for operations. I think this is extremely effective and ensures assures the quality of the production of the good. Because if you have too many personnel for working on one subject, let's say the hardware section, it will create conflicts and differences in ideas will interfere with the speed of the project. But having one senior VP for one section of the project makes it extremely efficient. Also, a senior VP means that he or she is extremely uh, experienced in the area of the job. So it's extremely efficient and good. The next is the quality management. Apple emphasizes quality of their products a lot because first they're a huge corporation. They want to keep their customers by ensuring the quality of the product being good. They're extremely high in standards for the requirements for respecting the quality of a new product. It first requires the senior VP who was overseeing the whole project, and then it requires eight more other senior VPs to ensure the quality. So in case if someone misses something, the others will catch it. And the same process is required for all fields, such as industrial design, development, retailing, marketing, and online sales, and industrial design. Adopting this long process of quality management will ensure that the products of the company's quality are in good shape, so that they can gain customers' trust. So the customers will come back when to purchase more of the new products as they come out. The process and capacity design. Companies will work, the Apple, the main company, will work with the suppliers to ensure their efficiency. They will also send specialized directors to design the process of production to ensure that it's at its maximum efficiency, and if it's not, they will come up with ways to improve it. They also adopt a comprehensive approach to process design, so they will ensure that it will be overseen by many people, and they will take suggestions for the new products, how the whole process is designed as well, to make sure the company maximizes in profit and customer satisfaction. Their location strategy. Apple, despite the fact that they have over 450 stores in 16 countries, they're extremely selective in their locations. They want to ensure that no, there won't be Apple store right like within 10 miles radius, within 2 miles radius to another one. So the business of the two stores will interfere with each other. They also locate their strat location. They also place their stores strategically, so it can reach around the same areas of customers and ensure that they will cover the whole area. They also have the highest revenue per square foot of retail space in any of the stores in the mall. The layout and design strategy. Whenever you walk into the Apple store, it's the design is extremely simple. You won't see any extra decorative designs in the store because they want the customers to focus on their products instead of the design, which might distract them. And they also have creative layouts. Whenever I walked into Apple Store, it's like walking into one of those fictional movies where you're placed in the future and everything around you is extremely advanced in technology. Supply chain management. For its suppliers, Apple mainly uses automated production processes. They also, to ensure the quality and the efficiency of the whole production process, They also have regular they will send people to regular monitoring to regularly monitor the suppliers to ensure that they're following Apple's code and the efficiency in production process. And they will also create an evaluation for the supplier. If the supplier fails or gains a bad evaluation, Apple may choose to terminate the contract with them. Inventory management. Apple's products are extremely popular, which means that they will have to manage their inventories correctly, or else there will be a extreme surplus or extreme shortage for their products. First, they used a serialized method, which is adopted by many of the companies. It's effective for tracking each product and also easier to control the flow of the products, and you will know the exact location with the serial of the product with the serial code. They also adopted a process called first in, first out, which is FIFO. It ensures that older models of the same unit will be released to the new stores first. Let's say there's a iPhone 6, which is produced for some reason it wasn't sold when it was produced in 2015. They'll make sure that they sell that product first before they go to the products that were produced in 2016. Eliminates problem with extremely old models, which might create problem, which have a higher chance of having a defect. Scheduling and maintenance. For scheduling, they use a combination of automation and manual processes. Automated processes used for the supply chain. Manual scheduling are adopted by individual Apple stores and offices. It ensures flexibility in their in their inventory. If a store has a higher selling amount, Apple will manually ensure that that store gets more product than others. So it helps to improve the shortages of the products. And maintenance. They have specialized maintenance teams for different areas. They have a high maintenance frequency. They want to ensure that everything will be function at its peak and nothing's going wrong. And that's my presentation. Thank you.